welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you can know all about SSDs. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Let's get started. Let's get started. First, see what is the difference between hard drive and solid state drive. Hard drive means HDD. Solid state drive means SSD. First, see what is hard drive. The hard drive contains a shipping platter with a thin magnetic clothing. A head moves over the platter. Let's see what is SSD. SSDs serve the same purpose as HDDs. They store data and files for long time use. The difference is that SSDs use a type of memory called flash memory, which is similar to RAM but unlike RAM, which cleans its data whenever the computer powers down. The data on an SSD present even when it lost power. It has small chipsets for stored data, but it is more faster than the hard drive. Now you know solid state drive is more faster than hard drive. There are three types of SSD types. This is SATA, M.2 SATA and M.2 NVMe. First, see what is SATA. There you can see a SATA SSD. When you are upgrade to a PC with a SATA SSD, you have to remove your hard drive from your PC and you can replace your SSD. It has 600 MBs speed. Let's see what is M.2 SATA SSD. M.2 means there is a slot named M.2 on some computers and laptops, so that you can insert this M.2 SATA SSD for this M.2 slot without removing hard drive. M.2 SATA SSD and SATA SSD have same specification. Difference is between slots and their size. Speed also same. So to insert SATA SSD you have to remove your hard drive, but insert M.2 SATA SSD you can insert with your PC hard drive. Let's see what is M.2 NVMe. In M.2 NVMe also M.2 means also M.2 port as I mentioned before on M.2 SATA. But there is big difference among M.2 SATA and M.2 NVMe. M.2 NVMe speed is more than M.2 SATA and SATA SSD. Speed of M.2 NVMe SSD is 3500 MBs. Speed of M.2 SATA SSD is 600 MBs. Physical difference between M.2 SATA and M.2 NVMe. There is two gaps on M.2 SATA, but in M.2 NVMe there is one. Let's see what SSD is suitable for your PC. There are two types of M.2 slots. This port is M.2 NVMe and M.2 SATA both. There is one slot in right side. There you can see this picture. This port for M.2 SATA only. There is a slot for left side. There you can see it. Now you can get a clear idea from this image. This is for M.2 SATA only. And this is for M.2 SATA and M.2 NVMe both. There are size for M.2 SATA and M.2 NVMe. First one is 30 mm in height and 22 mm in width. And second one is 42 mm height and 22 mm width. Width is same for the all of M.2 SSDs. And the third one is 60 mm in height and 22 mm in width. And fourth one is most common, it's 80 millimeters height and 22 millimeters width. For confirm all of these details, you have to remove your PC casing and you can confirm these details. From this, you can get a clear idea about hard disks and SATA M.2 SATA and M.2 NVMe. In HDD, speed is 1.7 MBs, but in M.2 SATA and SATA is 600 Mbps speed. In M.2 NVMe has more speed, it's 3500 MBs. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Thank you.